So, in summary, BCMA-directed therapies are associated with a distinct adverse event profile that do require proactive monitoring and management. Dose adaptation is very important, not only to improve tolerability, but importantly to allow patients to remain on treatment and thereby preserving efficacy. Dose modification and delays are absolutely crucial in managing the ocular adverse events associated with belantamab mafodotin. And similarly, dose delay are very important in managing the side effects associated with BCMA-directed bispecific antibodies, and extending treatment intervals has been associated with a reduced incidence of severe infections. And so overall, with thoughtful and personalized dosing strategies, BCMA-directed therapies overall are associated with a generally stable or improved quality of life over time, and their treatment-related side effects should be quite manageable.